Haha. Come here, Pepper. Here. Right, it's the 10th of July. And yeah, hasn't been much videoing because, yeah, I've been on the computer. Then Richard left his job, which was a permanent contract job, so it wasn't like it was a permanent thing anyway. But anyway, that put a spanner in the work. I've had to go and get on some payments from the government, which I'm not really happy about, but I might have got some sales coming in and things are starting to shift today. Anyway, so not as much still happening here because of money. Like, we just got no money to do anything. It's just, and then my mum gave me some money yesterday, and I spent $350 just on shopping, just for food. So yes, so I've decided that what needs to happen is I need to get off the computer by about 12:01. Like, do all my clients in the morning, and then I can actually be here in the afternoon. So this afternoon I've just been putting another load on there that's ready to go. I don't know if I showed you, but we found a ship's hull down there. And we moved that over there because I got fed up with the mast. So yeah, not really as much has happened. Apart from alpacas still eating grass. Another trailer load of stuff ready to go. How you going, Spider? Lucy still keeps getting out. Look, there's a chicken right there on the top, you little bugger. Got you. Little buggers they are. Can't keep them in. But we haven't even had money for a roll of wire, so it's just been a stress. But so I thought, well, bugger it, I'm just going to keep getting cuttings from people because I can't afford to buy plants. It's just, we'll get there, like it's 4 months now. So we will get there. So I've just been propagating of whatever I can find. Like natives, and so that's some stuff I propagated there. Just whatever, I'm walking around with my secateurs wherever I go somewhere now, and I'm like, okay, I'll have that. Because on Sunday I was pretty depressed, and I was like, well, what can I do? What's going to make me feel happy? And it's just being in my garden, you know. These are my cuttings that I've growing up. So yeah, they're starting to come. I don't know what happened to that one. Obviously it disappeared. And the other thing we did is we got some sweet potatoes. Still haven't filled that up. Haven't finished filling his bed because he needs money. But we've done our tax. We're ready to go to the account. Look at his cabbages. Aren't they cool? And then the oven decided to die last night, so that's not so good. So anyway, I've been getting cuttings off people, and that's sort of helping a bit. So that's just, I really want to put more dirt in there and lift that up because it's just too dark at the moment. So anyway, I'm digging more there of that bed out. I'm going to make that long all the way across. That down there are just sweet potato cuttings. So we've got actually 4 different types of sweet potato that I've acquired. Beg, borrow, steal. I haven't stolen anything. These are purple. I think these are purple outside, purple inside, and they're just little root divisions in there, and there's about 20 mixed in with poo because I can't even buy any extra potting mix. And they all need watering. We've had 2 days of hot. It's been rain for 2 weeks, which is not a reason I haven't been out. So I'm actually going to put most of this bottom bit into sweet potatoes because they're going to be easy to grow, they're easy to store, they're a good food source. And then we might start selling them. I found a girl locally who will take some chemical-free stuff. This is the mugwort here that's coming up. So I put 4 in there. I've actually, I don't know if you can see the moon, but it's just been full moon of the 17th. And yeah, I've been studying 2 days full on study. Managed to get 2 units out of 10 done. You can't see that moon. Anyway, the sun's coming up. We've got people coming today. I'm going to get out of the computer room. And yeah, I've got a client. It's fabulous. Got more coming. Yeah, the roos have been eating my veggies and I've been pulling them out. But apart from that, not really much else. This is the early morning birds. It's about 6:30. Alright, I better check if the fence is off before I let the chickens out. I was just trying to show you the moon, but it's not really showing up as much. We're coming into a new galactic year. And I think the galactic years are roughly about 250 million years old. That's happening. A shovel?
Yeah.
What is it, the carpet snake?
If it comes up,
He won't, he's a carpet snake. Where is he? Oh, he's there. Oh, look at him. You've taken away his space. See him? He was in all that tin. He's trying to find somewhere new.
Where's his head?
His head's in there.
Pepper. Fucking sunning himself.
Yeah, but he's also trying to find somewhere new to go. And he's probably eating the chicken eggs that they're laying under the back there anyway. See him moving. Is he beautiful? Oh, there's my phone ringing. Right, chickens are out. They're getting their feathers back again. See her with her feathers growing. Yes. Anyway, let's go back to the garden. Right, I don't know what I got up to. I was coming back from the chickens. My phone was ringing. That was an hour later. So yes, Richard's bed's here. He's got stuff growing. He's put the garlic chives next to the normal chives. So I must have a chat with him. And then he's painted veg on the side of his bed, because that's his bed. And then he's got white rocks, which I was like, why are you doing that? Old Italian men paint rocks. So we're just getting ready for that 4th bed. So I'm putting some of that dirt down there and just leveling that out. If there's no bobcats, I was sort of waiting in the wish, hoping that a bobcat was going to come here and do all this, but we've just got to get settled and get the money in first. It's really frustrating. It's really frustrating. Let's not go there. So those in boxes are doing all right. I've strapped it in there, but I actually think it's starting to reshoot in there. Do you see that? See that? No, maybe there. So that's quite happy in there. Still don't know what this is. I took it to singing and God knows what it is. But what I'm going to do is I've decided I'm going to do a market. So I've got 4 weeks. I have to, propagate some stuff and get some stuff in pots for that. I bought some mulch. Got got a bit of a native in there doing all right. I don't know when these turmerics and gingers are going to come up. Now, Richard's done this, but it's not cemented in. It's just there because the dragon fruit needs a trellis. So what's going to happen is that dragon fruit's actually going to come up there. And I'm going to tie it onto that, so I might get some cement today to do that. Anyway, he's made steps, but the mud's crumbling, dull. Really need to put the planks on them. That was probably a better idea. Yeah, so don't know what's happening there, but anyway. So that will sort that out. Now this is not doing very well, like the dirt's so shit here. It's not shit, it's just empty. And I haven't got money for preps, like I need $100 for preps. Which I know you think, oh that's just $100, but anyway. We're getting there, things are starting to move. Something's been digging up and pulling those up. Those little kale, so they're not very happy. But anyway. And the dog bearing bones in it doesn't help, so there's an elder there. The avocado is actually going off. And I'm really thinking of buying. I could probably strike cuttings from those. Really thinking of buying or yeah, putting a whole load in. Hey Pepper. Alpacas are here. So I've just got that bit to clear there. And they love that rainforest stuff. They love it. Yeah, and the potatoes here. So these have gone right back. You know what I mean? Like they've actually died right back. But I'm really hoping that the roots are taking. But they might not be. So we'll just have to see what happens there. If not, I'll have to go and get some more. Yeah. I mean, I've put root cuttings in there, but I'm not really going to know, am I? And I don't really want to dig them up to make them grow, because that's not going to work. So we'll just have to see what happens. And, oh, I'm going to get wet socks now. It's meant to rain the next 3 days, but it doesn't look like it, does it? Canary likes these. Again, these are the lion's ears, lion's tails. That one's going crazy, look. Look at that one. Going off. And that one. So yeah, the dog buried something in here, little baggage, and upset that. But anyway, mulberry's coming back. Garlic's getting there. Ugh. Tripped over. So it just needs extra help. So I've started doing Agni. And see if I can do Agni once or twice a day. Get out of that bed! You! And start turning the soil around. So have a good look now, because this is 1 month. And we'll see where it's at next month. Because you guys just see it when it comes in once a month. But I see it all the time. Alright. Onward, upward. Oh, so it's the 31st of July. I didn't think I'd do another video, but I did. Because this is something called Agni Hotra, which is a Vedic science. And it's really, I think I've probably spoken about it before. So you're just burning the cow poo. Sunrise, sunset, saying a chant with the ghee and rice. So it's all a science where everything's sort of combined and facing the right direction and all that, blah, 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 all that stuff. But anyway, what comes out of it is an ash. So I had a newsletter from the Agni people, and so that's the ash that comes out of there. So you can put your intent into that ash. So it's almost like as you burn the fire, you can put your intent in there. So I'm just going to start doing this. This is why I'm videoing this now for a month, because you know we haven't been the world's most affluent, and I haven't had money to get preps and stuff, the biodynamic preps. So I'm going to actually use these for a month, really, basically. So I've started putting some preps on that garden yesterday. So I'll either mix them in the water and then use the watering can to water them, which is probably what I'm going to do this morning, or just sprinkle the ash, or bury the ash, or mix the ash with the compost or something. So this is experimentation. Experimentation number 1, Agni ash. So really it's just costing me the cow poo, excuse me, and the time. Must be letting go of energy. I've just done an Agni. I tend to belch to release energy. And there's more coming. So I will go on my walk and yeah, stay posted. We'll see what happens with the Agni at the end of next month, because this is the last of July. We're moving to August. All right. See you next month. See you, bye.